Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot get mail. The mail server is not responding in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and your mail app, you might be facing this type of issue that you cannot get mail. The mail server is not responding wait for that you have entered the correct account info in mail settings. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just go back and you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi, cellular data, or you can also try to connect with the different network connections. So once you have done, you just have to go back. You can go to your settings, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that, then go back and here go to software update section, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you find this try to update your software, once you updated your software, go back, go to data and time settings, and enable your toggle to set your date and time automatically. After doing that, just go back from here and you can try to reset your network setting. But before you do that, just try to some more fixes. So go to your apps section. Just look for mail app here in mail section here. Just select mail. In mail app, you just have to tap on mail accounts and here just select the account in which you're facing issue. So let's say I'm gonna select my Gmail from here. Now in your Gmail, you have to make sure that your mail is enabled. Just enable the mail from here. After enabling mail, you can also try to enable both of these also. So once you have done, just go to your account settings. Here, just tap on advanced, and you have to enable this toggle, which is use as self. Just enable this toggle, then go back and tap on this done option. So it will save your changes. And once you have done, you just have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also try to make a forced restart. So just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed issue, so it might be that there will be any issue with your account settings or account info. So let's see how can you fix that. You just have to go back and here just open your settings app. Look for mail app here in your app section. Just select mail app. Let's say I want to select mail app here. Select mail accounts. Then tap on your account. Then tap on delete account. Tap on delete from my iPhone. So it will delete your mail account from your iPhone. And once you have deleted, I recommend you have to try to use your PC or any other device to change your account password. Once you have changed your mail account password, you have to re-add it into your iPhone. And after that, you can easily use your mail app and your mail account without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.